Lipidomics is an exciting field of research that aims to analyze the vast diversity and complexity of lipids. From reading nutrition labels, you're likely already familiar with lipids through their categorization as fats, including trans fats, saturated fats, and unsaturated fats. However, these broad categorizations only scratch the surface of the complexity of lipids in our food. With the help of cutting-edge technologies, the field of lipidomics is demonstrating that lipids are far more multifaceted than you might imagine. For example, over 50,000 different types or species of lipids have been identified to date, and each of these have unique structures and biological functions. This chemical diversity is incredible. The PTFI is interested in identifying this incredible diversity of lipids in our food. To do this, we use mass spectrometry, which enables us to identify and quantify lipids based on their mass and molecular structure. In this module, you will be provided with an overview of the functions and properties of lipids and a standardized protocol developed by the PTFI to analyze the lipid fingerprint of different foods. You will also observe the PTFI lipidomics methods in action and learn about potential research applications of these analytical techniques. Let's begin.